Hello! Today is a very special day. I got a 3D printer and I'm going to be assembling it. So, why don't you join me for this adventure? Here we go! So I've already started to unpack things. So these are all the different parts that we've kind of set out onto a table. And then we are actually starting to assemble it right now. We've already done the first step, as you can see here. So step one of many. There are multiple chapters. I believe there are 8 chapters in the manual to go through. It's quite a hefty book. It's, in fact, this book right here. Look at that. So it's got a lot of pages, a lot of detailed steps. Unfortunately, our manual has some misprints in it, so we're having to use the PDF version. But this is what we have started so far, and I'm going to hopefully show you the progress. So I was in the midst of assembling this guy here, and as you can see, I've already injured myself. Look at that. It hasn't even been an hour yet. Alright, so we just finished attaching the most crazy part on. This was like multiple little 3D printed pieces that I had to like assemble. But it's looking pretty good. There is our fan, number 1, and then a fan number 2. And this is where the filament is gonna go, right there. Right here. And yeah. So we have finished assembling the printer. Here's our spool holder. And take a look at our beautiful handiwork. So now it is time to do some testing. And I mean, we do have the heat bed that we need to put a frame, we have to put a thing on, I think, because it says do not print directly on this surface. So we need to put something over top that surface. But I guess that's in the pre-flight check. Next chapter, we're on the last chapter.